Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter array. We will practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some example words that start with the array. In our last video, we covered the letter Z. So, if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. Arrays from the same category that we did in the previous classes like Z and Array. Array also have just coming at the beginning and at the end. In the middle we can't write. Or in other words we can say to the right side of array we can connect, we can script another letters from uh, another letters of Pashto language. But to the left side we can't connect. We must write separately. Or we must start another word separately, another letter separately. Re. Look, this one is a little bit, the pronunciation is a little bit harder. Look, think to that. The previous one was a re. Look, simple, soft, re. And this one is a re. Look, re, 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 re. Like in a word, for example, we have ruined, ruined. Ruined means blend, a person who not saying anything. Ruined. Baba ruined day. Baba ruined day. It means grandfather is blend. Baba means grandfather. Ruined blend. Day is, look, day is what? Verb. Verb goes to the end of the sentence. In Pashto language, in some dialect and in some part, Babas also sing some people for fathers. But the proper and real meaning of Baba means grandfather. Baba Runde. Grandfather is blind. Also, in some case, for the older persons, if it's your grandfather or not, people using Baba. Like means an old person, we say Baba. Baba Runde. Grandfather is blind. We have another sentence. They're on the Sarakumakawal Sawab Lari. Dirondasara kumakawal sawab lari. It means helping the blind is rewarding. Dirondasara the blind with blind. Kumak help. Kawal do. Kumakawal helping. Sawab lari have reward. So it means have reward is rewarding. We can say. Dirondasara kumakawal sawab lari. Helping the blind is rewarding, or helping the blind has reward. Have reward like this one. Because and sawab lari means lari means have or has. Dirondasara kumakawal sawab lari. Helping the blind is rewarding. دا کتاب د ړندو کسانو لپاره کومک کوي. دا کتاب د ړندو کسانو لپاره کومک کوي. This book is a great help for blind people. دا کتاب this book. Look, دا mean this. کتاب book. د ړندو کسانو لپاره for blind people. د ړندو they means like for. They and this لپاره means for. Kasano people. Lapora, like for. Kumak help. Kavi do. Like helping. دا کتاب د ړندو کسانو لپاره کومک کوي. This book is a great help for blind people. Ray is another word like, for example, rocker. Rocker. Rocker means give. احمد خپل کمپیوټر ماته راکړ. احمد خپل کمپیوټر ماته راکړ. It means Ahmed gave me his computer. Ahmed private name. خپل his own, his computer. خپل computer his computer. ماته me. راکړ give. احمد خپل کمپیوټر ماته راکړ. Ahmed gave me his computer. We have مهرباني وکړه دا کتاب ما ته راکړه. مهرباني وکړه دا کتاب ما ته راکړه. It means please give me this book. مهرباني وکړه please دا کتاب this book ما ته me راکړه give. مهرباني وکړه دا کتاب ما ته راکړه. Please give me this book. مهرباني وکړه please دا کتاب this book ما ته راکړه give me. مهرباني وکړه دا کتاب ما ته راکړه. Please give me this book. Or we have this sentence لطفاً د کاغذ یوه پاڼه ما ته راکړه. لطفاً د کاغذ یوه پاڼه ما ته راکړه. It means please give me a sheet of paper. لطفاً again please د کاغذ یوه پاڼه a sheet of paper ما ته راکړه give me. لطفاً د کاغذ یوه پاڼه ما ته راکړه. Please give me a sheet of paper. لطفاً please د کاغذ of paper یوه پاڼه sheet. Look د کاغذ یوه پاڼه a sheet of paper. This D means of کاغذ paper یوه like this one پاڼه sheet ما ته me give me راکړه. Like completely reverse this sentence. خپل قلم ما ته راکړه. خپل قلم ما ته راکړه. It means give me your pen. خپل قلم ما ته راکړه. Give me your pen. خپل your قلم pen ما ته me راکړه give. خپل قلم ما ته راکړه. Give me your pen. Alright, another word, for example, we have rang. Rang. Rang means destroyed, damage. Rang. دا کور د زلزلې له امله ړنګ شوی. دا کور د زلزلې له امله ړنګ شوی. This house is destroyed because of the earthquake. دا کور this house د زلزلې له امله because of the earthquake. له امله because ړنګ شوی destroyed. ړنګ destroy when ړنګ شوی means destroy, completely the action done. دا کور د زلزلې له امله ړنګ شوی. This house is destroyed because of the earthquake. We have another sentence. د ودانۍ یوه برخه ړنګ ده. د ودانۍ یوه برخه ړنګه ده. د ودانۍ یوه برخه ړنګه ده. One part of the building is destroyed. One part of the building or build is destroyed. We can say building, not build. د ودانۍ یوه برخه ړنګه ده. One part یوه برخه of the building, this ودانۍ is destroyed ړنګه ده. د طوفان له امله پل ړنګ شو. د طوفان له امله پل ړنګ شو. The bridge was destroyed by the storm. د طوفان storm له امله like because by the like the bridge was destroyed by the storm. له امله by the pull bridge rank destroyed show like destroyed. The طوفان له امله pull rank show. The bridge was destroyed by the storm or because of the storm. Yeah, now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. Rund, rund, blend. Baba runday, Baba runday. Grandfather is blend. د ړانده سره کومک کول ثواب لري. د ړانده سره کومک کول ثواب لري. Helping the blind is rewarding. دا کتاب د ړندو کسانو لپاره کمک کوي. دا کتاب د ړندو کسانو لپاره کمک کوي. This book is a great help for blind people. راکړ راکړ give. احمد خپل کمپیوټر ماته راکړ. احمد خپل کمپیوټر ماته راکړ. Ahmed gave me his computer. مهرباني وکړه دا کتاب ماته راکړه. مهرباني وکړه دا کتاب ماته راکړه. Please give me this book. لطفاً د کاغذ یوه پاڼه ماته راکړه. لطفاً د کاغذ یوه پاڼه ماته راکړه. Please give me a sheet of paper. خپل قلم ماته راکړه. خپل قلم ماته راکړه. Give me your pen. ړنګ ړنګ destroyed. دا کور د زلزلې له امله ړنګ شوی. دا کور د زلزلې له امله ړنګ شوی. This house is destroyed because of the earthquake. د ودانۍ یوه برخه ړنګه ده. د ودانۍ یوه برخه ړنګه ده. One part of the building is destroyed. د طوفان له امله پل ړنګ شو. د طوفان له امله پل ړنګ شو. The bridge was destroyed by the storm. If you would like to learn Pashto very online, feel free to contact me. I'll got hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like eighteenth Retroflex. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want a complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.